Hello guys and welcome back. Today I have some weird Lamborghinis for you. 3 different promo cars. A safety car, a spider, and an SUV lead car. Then the well-known rescue Urus. And finally these other Urus with some kind of mechanical issues. Okay, so let's begin with these weird cars, meant to be used in events and track days for promotional purposes. All of them are in fact equipped with some Roger Dubuis advertising, and the coupe has also some kind of flashing lights on the roof. Yeah, probably because this one is an actual safety car. The Urus has a very cool wrap design on the front, and I suppose it's being used for the Super Trofeo races, just like its yellow predecessor in 2018. Anyway, talking about flashy Lamborghini SUVs, can you remember this one? This is the Urus rescue car used for the winter testing of the Huracan Serato in Northern Europe, and it looks like it's now back in the factory once again. And since we are already in SUV mood, take a good listen to this. Yeah, forget the STO, that was a very weird mechanical sound. And also it got even worse after the testing session. Anyway, I'm not a mechanic, so I can't absolutely make any assumption on the source of the noise.